video I'm gonna be showing you how to use chain cleaner and chain spray on your bike. So I use this Motul C1 and C2 for my bike. Usually I just do that, I spray and I move this here and there, but in this video I'm gonna be showing you the alternative way to use this. So as you can see, you have to, what I do was, it's almost empty, so what I do is I usually put my bike in first gear. I usually put my bike so as you can see, the in first gear the motor is moving and I spray. As you can see here, this is the easiest way to put chain lube and chain cleaner on it, and after setting it for some time you can put the chain lube. You just have to put your bike in first gear and then leave the clutch, and then this all will be sprayed. Rest there is no issue, as you can see. Voice is coming. So here, that's how you put chain lube and chain spray. After setting it cleaner for some time, after 5-10 minutes, you have to put your spray on it, and then you are all done to go. The other way to do is, what I do usually is I move the tire like this and spray it all over. In this way you can do it, but if you don't want to do any work, you are lazy like me, you can put just gear down and let it all go. That one is reliable and less energetic. This way you have to move the tire and spray and all. So yeah, that's how you do. If you have any queries, you can always DM me on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever. Peace. See you again.